Discover the Hangsun Water Flosser, the ultimate cordless solution for healthier gums and brighter smiles. With up to 1,600 water pulses per minute, it gently and effectively removes plaque and debris from places traditional floss cannot reach. Choose from 3 personalized modes: normal, soft, and pulse. For customized cleaning, its long-lasting battery-quiet operation and 6 interchangeable nozzles make it perfect for the whole family. Plus, the fully detachable water tank and waterproof design ensure easy use and maintenance. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the COSLUS Water Flosser, your new best friend for brighter, healthier teeth and fresher breath. Equipped with ultra-fine dual-thread water pulse technology, it delivers up to 1,800 pulses per minute, removing 3 times more stains and debris. With 4 customizable cleaning modes, a large water tank, 5 interchangeable tips, and a rechargeable battery lasting up to 30 days, it's designed for all ages. Enjoy deep, gentle gum massage and hassle-free use every day. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a brighter, healthier smile? Meet the INSMART Power Flosser. This powerful and portable water flossing device deep cleans your teeth and improves gum health with high-pressure water pulses and rotating tips. Customize your cleaning with multiple modes, including an eye option for sensitive mouths. This long-lasting battery and compact design make it perfect for travel. Safe, easy to use, and backed by a warranty, the INSMART Power Flosser transforms your oral care routine. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Discover the Binefia Power Flosser, your new best friend for healthy teeth and gums. With 5 customizable cleaning modes, including gentle options for sensitive teeth and kids, it provides a deep clean by removing 99.99% of plaque and debris. The innovative design features a rotating tip and waterproof construction, making flossing easier and safer in the shower. Plus, with a battery that lasts up to 35 days on single 4-hour charge, it's perfect for home and travel. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Waterpik Water Flosser Cordless Advanced with 3 pressure settings, the perfect solution for a fresher, cleaner mouth. This compact device is 50% more effective than traditional dental floss, removing up to 99.9% of plaque in seconds. It's gentle, safe for braces, implants, or crowns, and actively massages your gums to boost health. Ideal for travel and small bathrooms, it features convenient USB charger. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the HUACO Care Floss and Brush, your ultimate family dental assistant. This cordless water flosser combines water pressure with 3 flossing modes to deeply clean your teeth and massage your gums, helping prevent bleeding. The powerful ultrasonic toothbrush with 38,000 micro vibrations per minute offers deeper whitening and stain removal. Its ergonomic design, long-lasting rechargeable battery, and travel case make oral care easy anywhere. Experience healthier teeth and gums today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a smarter way to keep your teeth and gums healthy? Meet the Waterpik Water Flosser Model 660. This powerful device is 50% more effective than traditional dental floss and leaves your mouth feeling ultra fresh and clean. It removes up to 99.9% of plaque in just 3 seconds, making it perfect for those with braces, implants, or crowns. With 5 tips, 10 pressure settings, and a large water reservoir, it's easy to customize your cleaning routine. You'll purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.